Start.
Hello everyone, I am from Big Classes. We are doing a short video just to discuss the questions that a lot of students and parents have, especially given now we have the 10th boards exam dates already out. We've got 3 extra months for the CBSE exams, and parents and students have a lot of confusion. Some of them don't know how to plan, what to focus on. We have today with us both the lead trainers of Victory Classes, Raman sir, Dr. Suman. Hello.
Hi.
Hi. So I'm going to ask you a few questions. हम ट्राई ये करेंगे बहुत कैजुअल डिस्कशन रखें कुछ कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो हमने स्टूडेंट्स से पेरेंट्स से सुने हैं I'm going to just ask you and please feel free to give your experiences, your tips. Starting with you, Dr. Suman. Given we have 3 months before the exams actually start, how do we even go about planning?
Meenu, 3 months is a very good time, and trust me, they can do wonders in the 3 months. But what they have to do is they should make a written plan of studying every subject every day, and that timetable should be followed. By the end of the day, they should have realized that yes, we have followed the timetable. Doing that in the 3 months long period, they'll be able to cover all the topics, and it really helps. They have to do this. There's no other option.
Got it. Got it. Makes sense. Coming to you, Raman sir, we see that few kids have strengths, but they still have a lot of concepts where they're weak. How do we go about balancing between the two?
Every student will have some strengths and some weaknesses in all the subjects that he's studying. He need to identify those his strengths and weaknesses and work on his weaknesses religiously. 3 months of time is enough for him to work on his weaknesses. If you need a teacher, he should hire a teacher, or if he can do a self-study, that's the best thing that he can do. Otherwise, devote time on those topics. We have enough time. Otherwise, and then he can also, for his strengths, he should continue reading those topics and practice more and more questions in that topic.
Got it. Suman, I'm coming back to you. So we know about strengths, weaknesses, timetable, but what's the best way to optimize and still study efficiently, ताकि time waste ना हो?
Like whenever they study, they should know that once a week, every subject needs one sample paper to be done. If they attempt the sample paper, they'll understand that what is a pattern of question paper and how much can I recollect, how much can I perform. After that, get it checked from your teachers or any helper so that you can assess how much you have performed. A child feels, I know everything. But when he's in the exam, he'll forget the definition. He might forget the formulas. So in that case, it is important that he starts practicing right now.
Got it. And any tips on, formulas, language? There's so many things that the kids have to do now.
Yeah, so we actually, to our children who study with us, we give them a format of each and every answer that is studying, whether it is science or whether it is a language. So we have a format of answering those questions. We give them formats, we give them formula sheets, which they have to keep in front of them every time so that they don't forget the formulas and get back to those formulas whenever required. And it sticks to their memory. And one more thing which
Got it.
is very important, which I need to highlight here is parents, we need to ensure that the distractions of children is reduced or minimized now. Last 3 months,
Right.
you can't afford that any further. So focus only on studies, plan your day very seriously. No distractions, please. Yeah.
Got it. Dr. Suman, any tips from you? Any closing remarks?
Um, they should write small notes for every lesson that they study, either in the book or in the notebook they have. And then let them study with more of flow charts. It is better than mugging up. It is in front of you and you can always recollect it. It's easy to recollect before the exam. And then they can study diagrammatically, especially in science. There are many diagrams. So it is going to be beneficial. In the end, before the exam, it is just a brush up. They just have to revise. I do it with my students and it has given a marked difference in their performance. It really works.
And no, this is a very, very helpful tip from both of you. I understand that a lot of students are panicking, and with the suggestions that you guys are giving, I'm sure some of your current batch students are also benefiting, and the whole confusion, distraction, all of that really helps when you have the right teacher. So I would like to wish all our students and parents all the best. I'm sure they'll do well in exams. I think any motivation from you both will also be very, very helpful.
Certainly.
Great.
We will help
Thank you.
them.
Bye bye.
Bye. Good luck.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Good luck, everyone.